To add homework resources, either double-click into the file or click the pen. And once you're in, there's a couple different ways you can add resources. You can click on Rich Text and copy and paste text right into the text box here. You can click Website and copy and paste a link from a website, just like this. Copy and paste it right on the line there. And you can also choose to have the link pop up in a new window over here. And you can also add an attachment. To do that, come down and click Add Attachment, and click on the arrow here that says Upload Resource, and click Choose File. Now I want to add a PDF file of a short story that I have from my downloaded resources. To do that, and just click on the PDF, double click, and there it is. And then click Upload down here. Wait for it to load. There it is. After it's loaded, click Add Attachment, and there it is. Once you have it, just come up and click Save, and now it's going to be available to the students on the student's end. You can also add a link to a YouTube video. So get the link first, copy the link, and then come to Add to Session and click on YouTube video. Give the video a title. And paste the link and click OK. And now the link to the YouTube video is going to show up right in the session folder.